If you've been trying to meditate and you feel like it's impossible and you feel uncomfortable, that's a good sign. And here's why. I know meditation has been advertised as this thing that will calm your mind and make you feel peaceful. And yes, of course, that is true to an extent, but not right away. So if you're starting a meditation practice and it's making you feel uncomfortable, you're on the right track. It's not supposed to be easy right away. You will become more aware of your thoughts, your emotions, and your feelings. And guess what? Most of the time, that feels extremely uncomfortable. You are listening and meeting the part of you that you have not met before, or the part of you that maybe you've suppressed or ignored. And the key is to first accept this. Know that when you get into your meditation chair or into that meditative position, there will be that part of you that tells you that it's impossible, that it's not worth it, you're not good at it, it's not working. Being aware of these thoughts and what arises in your body as you're thinking them is part of the meditation process. So if you're starting out, keep going. Despite those voices, keep going and do not give up. Do not give in to those voices. And if you can't do silent meditations, start with guided ones. Personally, I'm in love with this app, Luminate. They're unlike any other meditation apps out there. Luminate uses light therapy to access deep subconscious states in your brain, and all of this is done through the flashlight on your phone. I promise you, you will enter a different dimension. It's a psychedelic experience simply using light. So check that out at the link in my bio. Get a completely free trial and give it a go. Thank you so much for watching. Ask me any questions in the comments below about meditation and follow for more.